This listing brought to you by the EppsElson team at Remaxability Plus. End unit 2-bedroom, 1 baths with loft office space and 2-car attached garage in Gardens and Villas of Westmount. 2-story great room west gas fireplace. Large kitchen west, plenty of cabinet spaces open to dining room. All appliances stay, even washer and dryer in upstairs laundry room. Good-sized master suite and both bedrooms have walk-in closets. Nice patio opens to grassy area, the benefit of being an end unit.